Welcome to JD Stale Auto. My name's Jeff. I hope you're all doing real well. I do have one shout out to make, and that's to Papa from Papa's Model Workshop. Thank you very much for your support. I mean, that means a lot. He's a great guy. I hope check out his channel. He knows a lot. He really, and he does some awesome work. And he really does. I have his shop card. And another one I want to mention is thank you so much for all the people that subscribed. I really do appreciate it. And the comments I got were awesome. I hope I got everybody. And everybody that's watched my video, it's very appreciated. Very appreciated. And on top of that, the update on the 1964 F-100. And like I promised, I was going to make, I was going to announce the color of the truck. I started with this here. It's Rust-Oleum 2X primer, white primer. Sorry about the camera. This is the first time I've done it in this position before, so I'm doing my best here with it. So, and on the body and the bed, or the cab in the bed, I should say, I went with Trade Colors, Wicked Colors, and it's Wicked Crimson Red. It's 0015. And I thought it came out. I like that color. I didn't want the traditional red. That was a definite. Here's the bed. I think it looks, I'm happy with it. I will say that. First time I ever sprayed acrylic. So, it's still a lot of detail on the bed to do yet. Here's the body. And I did go a little overboard and started detailing some of the body. I got done on the door lock, the handle, and emblem. Around the windows, or the window trim. Windshield wipers. I did inside of here flat black. I usually do. And actually, it came out pretty decent. This is the first two-tone I've done, and it really is. And I'm happy with it. I mean, there was some mishaps here and there. So, but all in all, it didn't come out too bad. Another thing I did work on the grill. And I did use, where is it? There it is. This here. By Tamiya, the panel liner. I do the inside. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Inside the grill area here. It came out all right. It could have been a lot better. And for the marker lights, I used a Tamiya clear yellow. That's 24. And the headlights, the lens of them. Now, I used this here by Testers. It's what I'm used to. I did pick up some Mod Podge. And I haven't used it yet. I haven't tried it. This is all new to me. So I will try it. I'm going to see how it looks on the other side of the headlights. Interior. It's all primered up white. right now, but I did decide to go with a black interior. I figure all black interior, really detailed idea. The dashboard, I'm gonna do all black, but inside here, let me get my big finger out of the way. Right here, I'll do all chrome all the way around it, and chrome knobs. I might go white knobs, I'm not sure, but all in all, it's really happy with that. Chassis is all finished. I did do the inside the wheels. And same red. There you go. You just see a little better there. I did same red inside. I did chrome the rim, around the rim, and it's the first time I ever used this here. So that was all new to me too. A lot of new things to me now, since it's been over 30 years since I've done a model. So, and I did paint the Ford red on the hubcaps there, and I did use the clear red by Tamiya X27. But like I said, there's a lot of new things I'm still getting used to when it comes to the products nowadays. I'm used to testers and aerosol cans. But all in all, that's the update on the truck, what I've gotten done so far. So the next step would be finishing up the interior. Which ain't gonna look too bad sitting there. When did that sitting right? And the hood, that's the same color white. Not looking too bad so far. Back up the camera a little bit more. But not too bad. Yeah, she doesn't. Not too bad. First time doing one for this channel. I'm happy with it. The rest I just gotta finish up on. I did paint the chrome trim, the Ford, and I don't know where you can see it. The Ford on the side of the hood. And I also painted this one here in my pointer. Right here. I painted the inside of that one, which you can hardly see. Yeah, that's really hard to see. But yeah. That's the update on the Ford F-100. I thank you, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment. I'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get notified. I'll be coming back with more updates on the F-100. And actually probably pretty shortly. So sorry it took so long to get this far. So, but yeah. I really appreciate it, and y'all have a good one. Thank you.